Welcome to Caleb's Bad Decisions. Facebook Marketplace, really ragged out mini bike. I picked the worst one I could find that is running. It is running, believe it or not. Might have a couple issues. By a couple I mean a lot. Right now we have 0 brakes. Caliper's just hanging there. Wrong carb. Gas is leaking. Gotta start it with the drill because this thing does not work. Let's get it going. Damn it. Please remember, don't do anything that I'm doing. Alright, that was pretty rough. The ingenuity of the guy I bought this from is just insane. Didn't even realize we were about to lose our gas tank here. Wire melting around the exhaust, that's great. The wiring job is probably the best though. And check this out. Welded a bigger nut on there so it couldn't come off. But I had fun. Let's take this bad boy to the backyard. What's up, Apollo? What you doing, buddy? What are you doing, Apollo? What are you doing? See, now the longer you look, the worse it gets. It doesn't even matter if the brake doesn't work or, doesn't exist, because this thing is so out of whack, it starts coming to a halt as soon as you let off the throttle. We got the wrong carb on there. I don't know what's going on with the governor. I have a Predator 212 on reserve. I might just slap that on there instead of using the Briggs that's on it. That is going to conclude the first episode of Bad Decisions by Caleb. Later.